Hey y'all, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be a lock update, and as of this month I am officially 1 year and 3 months locked. So I just first wanted to start off this video by just showing it's not exactly every single month, but it's just like a progression of my lock journey thus far. So I'm gonna just scoot over a little bit so that I can put on the screen as we go through. So the first video is when I first locked my hair. This was back in last June, and I just did 2-strand twists. It was free parting because like I don't really care about the super neat parting, so I just did the 2-strand twist. And then this next video is my first professional twist. I was really feeling like that girl. I'm like, okay, it's getting serious now. And then this next picture, this is December 23rd of 2021, and this is after a wash. And I really noticed, I was like, okay, we're getting some length now. Like the locks are getting thicker and longer at the same time. So I'm like, okay, all right, I see the journey. And this next video, this is January 28th of 2022. And this next video, I know this was February 14th because I was going out on my date. But yeah, I thought, I was so happy. I was like, oh my gosh, this ponytail is so cute. Like, I was really feeling myself that day. Okay, and then this, in comparison to the other wash day picture, I actually want to put them side by side just so you guys can really see the difference. This one was May 13th of 2022. Yeah, you see the length? Okay. And then this one, this picture is from June 6th. So that was like, I don't know if that was the exact day of my lock journey the previous year, but it was like, it was in June. So like you go from the first picture, well, the first video to this picture, you can really see. And then this picture is from my last video when I dyed my locks, what was it? It was like ginger. So that was June 13th of 2022. And then I forgot, I did have another picture. I forgot to put this one up, but this is from August 21st of 2021. So, yeah. So let me just tell you guys what's been happening since then, since the ginger video. I have my hair in a bun right now, but I went and I re-dyed my hair. I was going for a brighter color because the color was starting to fade. So I can quickly show you this little video I had did. I don't really know how long the video is, but once I edit it, I feel like it should be done by now, right? Yeah. So yeah, it's kind of like a reddish color right now. And since then, I put my hair in 2-strand twist. So I put my hair into 2-strand twist about, I think that was September 5th. And I wanted to keep this style in for like a month. Just because I felt like I was really noticing that certain locks weren't really like locking up for real. So like around the perimeter, like I'll just pull this out. So like all of this between these two fingers would be locked, but then between these two fingers it just wasn't locking up. And I'm like, okay, am I like messing with the perimeter of my hair too much, too many ponytails, or like what is it? So I just decided to twist my hair and just leave it for like at least a month, because like I'm just so excited to like try new styles and stuff. I'm like, I don't know how long I could keep these in. But yeah, so I just decided to keep these in just so that my hair can lock up and, you know, just really leave it alone. So like, I haven't been experimenting that many styles or anything yet because I just want, you know, the foundation for the styles to be good. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I will also show you some styles that I have been doing in between the ginger video and between these the 2 strand twists. I did do a few things. I didn't do any I think, what are they called, burrow twist or like updos like that. I really want to get into that, but I don't know how to do that stuff yet, so I want to learn or get someone to do them. No, I'm gonna stay DIY. But yeah, these are some styles that I did, and I thought they're really cute, really simple, really easy to do. Let's see, because I have my notes. I have listed what I'm about to talk about. So basically now I'm just gonna talk about the products I've been using in my hair. I've been trying to keep it to a minimum because, you know, you just really want your locks to breathe and just not do too much with them. So I went to the beauty supply store. This was $7.99. This is a rose water mist. I've heard a lot of people talking about how to moisturize their hair on the daily. They'll just spray their hair with some rose water, but I don't know how good this one actually is. Like, these are all the ingredients in it. From there to there, that's all the ingredients. I feel like it should just be roses and water, right? But I've been using this, and then I haven't been able to find the oil. This is the oil that I really got into because it just smells so good and it makes my scalp feel amazing. But my beauty supply store basically sold every other oil except that one. So I just got the wild hair growth oil again. I've been hearing a lot of good reviews about it. I haven't used it long enough to see any. I'm just not too crazy about the smell. I prefer the smell of the other oil. But yeah, so I'll mist my hair with this in the morning, and then I'll go through on my roots, and then I'll like massage my head for a couple minutes, you know, just to get it through. What else? So for my retwist, I'm still using this gel. I like it. It's still pretty good. It's like almost empty now. And then also another really good product that I like after I wash my hair, I like to use the Sulfur 8. The Sulfur 8 is for anti-dandruff hair and scalp conditioner, because I have like a dry scalp that gets really itchy, and this stuff feels amazing when you put it on. Like, it's the equivalent of like chewing gum and then drinking water. Like, it's like, you know, it's just really a really fresh, clean feeling. So that's what I've been using in my hair. That's what I'm going to continue to use, just to see like what that does. If you guys have any products that you guys use for your locks, you can comment them down below and I'll like give them a look, you know. And then next I want to talk about some styles I want to try in the future, because like I'm just so excited. I know some of these styles that I'm looking at, they do require longer hair. So I'm gonna see if I can find more styles that accommodate my shorter hair. Or another thing I can do, one of my close friends, she sent me this girl on TikTok, where she basically did the 2-strand twist, but she added in hair so that they're longer. So I was like, oh my gosh, that's really cute. So I feel like these styles would work really well with those extended 2-strand twists. I saw this video on TikTok, and I saw that the girl had also put her Instagram on there. So I looked at her Instagram, and these are some of the styles. I think she's located in Maryland. So if you have locks and you're located in Maryland, I feel like you should check her out. These styles are really cute. Let me see. Okay, so this is the first one. I actually feel like I can do this style on my hair, and she even kind of has the same color in the back and then different in the front. And then this one, I feel like this one is really good with the twist, because then you can just like if the hair is super long, I can choose how short I want them to be, and I think that style is really cute. And then this, yes, I can just see it now. I really like this style, and I want to do that, and that would be with the twist as well. Did I get another one? No, I think it was just those three for now, but I'm definitely going to be on the lookout for more. If you guys have any styles you think I should try, definitely let me know. I'm trying to think, are there any questions I feel like people might have? I can't think of anything else. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much the update. Every day I'm falling more and more in love with my locks. I'm really loving the journey. I'm really embracing it. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep you guys updated on what I'm doing next. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to continue to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll definitely be back with more videos.